Welcome back to my first YouTube videos. Why did I say welcome back even though it's my first? Because I'm a boss. Now, as you can see, we got something stronger than tape here. This. How are we going to get through that? Now, do I have my knife? Yes. Yes, I do. It's a butter knife. And what am I going to use this butter knife for? To get through this box! But first, before we do that, you must join my $1 gift card giveaway. How to get in? You subscribe. Subscribe. And like. Yes, I can totally check liking. Because, you know, I want to add revenue. So, alright. So how are we going to do this? I think we got it, boys. Come on, we got to get enough more. I want to see what's inside. Man, this is a lot harder than it looks. I thought tearing off tape would be that easy. Huh. What if? Come on, guys, I think we got this. Yeah, I think we can do it. Come on, we can do this, boys. We got this. Alright, guys, we cut through the tape. So let's see what's in here. Alright. So as you can see, we got all this stuff. First up, oh, we got Oreos. What kind of Oreos are these? A box of Happy Eating Oreos. Oh man, they must be like 100 years old. Oh my god. That's real good. I approve. Alright. Next up, we got a rock. Must be a murder. Is that a smiley face? You don't smile at me. Oh, there's some Oreos on my finger. Don't worry about that. But is that a rock with a face on it? What's this? What in God's name? Is that Kermit? What is Kermit doing here? Whoa! Whoa. Maybe these boxes go together. Am I gonna find out? Nah. Too much work. Oh my god. The murder weapon. This is it. The murder weapon is in my hands. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, he murdered someone with these chopsticks. Murdered them in cold blood. Alright, next up we got... Oh, I recognize his glasses. These belong to Tim. He's been missing for a few weeks. I wonder where he was myself. Apparently his glasses were mailed to me. Nothing suspicious about that. Oh, what is this? It looks stupid, to be honest. Alright, next up we got... whatever God's name this is. I'm gonna go try it out.
Welcome back, it's me, Double Chin Sans. You think I'm so smart? Nuh-uh, not with this beauty. I will so fold up your rectum cavity, you will not feel it for a week. Have a nice day. My fat double chin likes you a very, 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 very lot.
Sorry about that, I just got too involved with Double Chin Sans. But we still got one last thing to look at. What? Is that red? What in God's name is this? There's a dead body in here. Wake up. Oh, Jesus. What in the world? What? Hello? Are you alive or dead? Say something to me. Come on, stay alive. Stay alive. You have to do that one thing, do mouth to mouth. No homo. Wake up. No!